On Wednesday morning, Governor Kathy Hochul joining the growing list of people saying that reassignments of World Trade Center health staff to other agencies is not only hurting survivors of the attacks here at World Trade, but may be doing even worse harm.
These actions are reckless. They're proof that it's poor leadership, poor decision making, and it's going to cost lives.
Strong words from John Fiel, who was severely injured in the cleanup from the World Trade Center attacks, about changes to staffing at the World Trade Center Health Program, which treats some 140,000 survivors of the attacks and cleanup. It's funded by Congress. That funding was renewed just weeks ago, but what's also become clear, New York's senior senator pointed out this week.
The Trump administration has taken people out of the 9/11 health program and put them into ICE.
His comments came after this letter issued by 9 Republican members of Congress from New York and New Jersey calling for Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. to testify about the apparent reduction in staff. It says the reassignments are to Customs and Border Patrol, not ICE. But it also says that the health program is budgeted to have 120 full-time staff, and now, including cuts made by Kennedy, it's down to 84. That's a problem for people who need 9/11-related health assistance, says another survivor.
Imagine if one of your family members was sitting waiting for the last two and a half years to get approved. And the longer we wait, the worse it gets for them.
Thomas Hart says having 25% fewer staff members at the health program means a much greater reduction in approvals for health treatments.
That's unacceptable. People are sick and dying because it also prevents them from filing a claim to get compensated for their illnesses.
In addition to Governor Hochul, more than a dozen other leaders, including the heads of the police and firefighters unions, are calling for this situation to be changed, with no response yet from HHS. The same is true for those Republican members of Congress calling for a congressional briefing. As soon as any change happens, of course, we will keep you updated up to the minute.